1. What is the capital of India? A. Mumbai. B. New Delhi. C. Kolkata. D. Chennai. Answer B. New Delhi. 2. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Subhash Chandra Bose. D. Bhagat Singh. Answer B. Mahatma Gandhi. 3. Which is the national animal of India? A. Lion. B. Elephant. C. Bengal tiger. D. Peacock. Answer C. Bengal tiger. 4. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Rajiv Gandhi. D. Narendra Modi. Answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru. 5. What is the national flower of India? A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Sunflower. D. Marigold. Answer B. Lotus. 6. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Ag. B. Au. C. Hg. D. Pb. Answer B. Au. 7. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Earth. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer B. Mars. 8. Who is the current Prime Minister of India as of 2025? A. Narendra Modi. B. Rahul Gandhi. C. Arvind Kejriwal. D. Mamta Banerjee. Answer A. Narendra Modi. 9. What is the longest river in India? A. Ganga. B. Brahmaputra. C. Yamuna. D. Godavari. Answer A. Ganga. 10. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? A. Himalayas. B. Ural Mountains. C. Caucasus Mountains. D. Carpathian Mountains. Answer B. Ural Mountains. 11. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. Rabindranath Tagore. 12. What is the term length of the President of India? A. 4 years. B. 5 years. C. 6 years. D. 7 years. Answer B. 5 years. 13. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 14. What is the national currency of the United Kingdom? A. Dollar. B. Euro. C. Pound sterling. D. Yen. Answer C. Pound sterling. 15. Who invented the World Wide Web? A. Tim Berners-Lee. B. Steve Jobs. C. Bill Gates. D. Mark Zuckerberg. Answer A. Tim Berners-Lee. 16. Which empire was founded by Chandragupta Maurya? A. Gupta Empire. B. Maurya Empire. C. Mughal Empire. D. British Empire. Answer B. Maurya Empire. 17. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? A. Shah Jahan. B. Akbar. C. Aurangzeb. D. Babur. Answer A. Shah Jahan. 18. Which vitamin is found in mushrooms? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. All of the above. Answer all of the above. 19. Which is the largest continent in the world? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. North America. D. Europe. Answer A. Asia. 20. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.